Hi friend, today we will discuss about data visualization and I will explain some simple example. So I will use like Python library, Matplotlib, Seaborn and Plotly library. Okay, so let's start. Uh, so I have already created a folder machine learning and I have created a folder ML Skitlearn. So I have already created environment file. So let's start. So first we will activate the environment file. Okay. So uh, source png. Okay. And okay. And so cd ml and okay cd ml folder. Okay. VS Code. Okay, so basically I'm using VS Code. Okay, so you can use like PyCharm and VS Code and Sublime any editor. Okay, okay. So basically in data visualization and like some most important library Matplotlib, Seaborn and Plotly. Basically we use for data visualize. Okay, so like you have 1000 data, okay, so you want to visualize in a structure format. So then we use the like data visualization for a simple way. Okay, so I have already created requirement.txt file. Okay, so I have already listed here library name. So you can I have already installed this file. So like Matplotlib, Seaborn and Plotly and Kin and so let's start. So I have already installed so that the region uh, it is showing requirement already satisfied. Okay, so clear here. So first I will use Matplot library example. So first I will create a file simple data. Okay. So So I have already written the code here. So just copy and paste. Okay. So x axis and y axis. Okay. Basically, I will show two dimensional. Okay. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So this is a static format. Like you have a large amount of data x format and y format. So you will pass here and it will show in structure format. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And we are using matplot. Okay, so this plot basically x and y axis. This is a label name. Okay, so it will show in color red. Okay, so plot label x axis and y axis. This is a title. You can give any name. Okay, so change matplot demo. Okay, demo exercise. ठीक है. Okay, so I will run this program. So Python and file name ML. Okay, okay, yeah. So this is a y-axis and this is a x-axis. So this is a title name. Okay, so you can see here label line plot. Okay, so this is a line plot, basically the straight line. Okay, so like uh, so to like है ना x-axis this is like x-axis. Okay, this is x-axis, this is a y-axis. Data you can see here 2 to 20. Okay, so you can save here. Okay, so save like in my desktop local system. So, so this you can see, you can save here. Okay, so I will explain another example. I will use Seaborn and Matplot both. So I will, okay, I create another file name Seaborn ML. Okay, dot UI. Okay, so I have already written here. This is a simple example. Okay, so you can use large amount of data and so basically day and some total bill related. So Seaborn example. So I am using Seaborn and Matplotlib. Okay, this is a I will show a plot type. Okay, save here and you can give any name. Okay, this is a title. This is a x-axis. This is a y-axis. So okay, okay, I run this file Python. Okay. This is a x-axis. This is a y-axis. Okay. This is a title. Basically Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So, so you can save here. Okay. So basically, I'm giving a simple example. Okay. So you can add some business logic and some dynamic data. Okay, so this code I will upload on my GitHub. So I will add in my description so you can download this code. Okay, uh, okay, Git- okay. So I uploaded the code on my GitHub. So I will add in description so you can download. I have already created some simple example like NLP, okay, neural network processing, and I have already used some plot. Basically, I have already created a plotted related example. Like I use some machine learning like linear regression. So you can check and you can implement some business logic and okay. So thank you for watching. Okay, thank you.